Welcome to War India News Hour. Old data centers can be used as critical IT assets. Infrastructure and operations leaders often focus on new ideas, technologies and ways to deliver business value, while older data centers getting minimal attention. With a clear strategy, old data centers can updated to support new and emerging business services while reducing operating costs. Organizations with existing workloads remaining within their data centers must decide how best to restructure their physical infrastructures to improve efficiencies and extend the data center's useful life. Most IT infrastructure and operations, that's called I&O leaders, are dedicating their attention to cloud migrations, ad strategies, and moving workloads closer to the customer. Therefore, workloads moved to the new enclosure are unlikely to come from the same racks, and the older section of the server area will be heavily fragmented. Once these workloads are moved, begin the process of physically relocating equipment and clearing out the next section of floor space to make room for the next self-contained rack installation. As each subsequent unit is installed, the overall density of computing per rack increases, resulting in a significantly higher compute per square foot ratio and a smaller overall data center footprint. This migration phase might also be an excellent time to consider a server refresh, depending on where existing servers are in their economic life cycles. Implementing smaller server form factors can increase rack density while reducing overall power and cooling requirements. Legacy data center infrastructure with the right approach can be reinvented to increase capacity, support new business services, and reduce operational costs. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Turbonomic acquisition by IBM to accelerate clients' transition to hybrid cloud and AI. IBM recently announced the completion of its acquisition of Turbonomic to boost management of applications performance across hybrid cloud environment and enhance its artificial intelligence based automation capabilities. With this, Turbonomic's network performance management NPM technology to help drive IBM's telecom business, including intelligent optimization of applications running in 5G environments. The acquisition is expected to enhance IBM's push to accelerate clients' transition to hybrid cloud and AI. Samsung is geared to offer 20% cashback tied up with leading banks in the country. Samsung has introduced new offer on its popular product range and has tied up with leading banks such as HDFC Bank, ICICI, Bank of Baroda, Axis Bank, Federal Bank and State Bank of India for customers to enjoy cashback offers of up to 20%. The new offer will be available till June 30th. Consumers can further avail up to 36-month EMIs, low-cost EMIs as low as Rs 990, extended warranty and up to 20% cashback, that is issued up to 20,000 on their purchase. Government launches Trusted Telecom Portal. The government Tuesday launched a Trusted Telecom Portal as a part of the National Security Directive on the telecommunications sector, signaling the coming into effect of the National Security Directive on Telecommunications Sector, that is NSDTS. The National Cybersecurity Coordinator NCSC is the designated authority DA for the determination of inclusion of a vendor and as a trusted source of a telecom product and a trusted product and the methodology for the said inclusion. The development has come following the government's effort to ensure security of telecom networks, especially with fifth generation services on the anvil. China shuts down crypto mining, all cryptocurrencies in free fall. Many Bitcoin mines in southwest China's Sichuan province were closed on Sunday after local authorities ordered a halt to mining in the region on Friday amid an intensified nationwide crackdown against cryptocurrency mining. With this, world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, fell 5.5% to $34,142 and Ether, the second largest, declined to 5.9% to $2,095. As measured by CoinGecko, the market value of all cryptocurrency about $1.45 trillion versus a high around $2.6 trillion last month. AI-enabled drone can locate disaster victims by their screams. The technology can help first responders find victims after a natural calamity or disaster by the technology intended to help first responders find victims over a natural calamity or disaster. AI matches microphone detected sounds to pre-recorded samples to locate victims, said by the researchers at Germany's Fraunhofer FKI Institute. Drones can cover larger area in shorter period of time than rescuers or trained dogs. It can go places they can fly or to get to improve themselves. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.